when purchasing collision coverage on your vehicle, there are 3 different types of collision coverage, 3 different levels at different price points that you can purchase. Now, if you have a loan, you have to get one of the top 2, either broad or regular collision. Now, a lot of people like broad collision because if someone hits you in the state of Michigan and you're not at fault, you don't have to pay your deductible. With regular collision, you always pay your deductible no matter what. Besides that, broad and regular are the exact same. With regular, you just pay your deductible. Now with limited, let's say you have a vehicle and you don't have a loan on it, and maybe it's about 10 years old and it's right in between, should I have full coverage, should I not have full coverage? Limited says, I trust myself to do a pretty decent job, but I don't trust the other crazy people on the road to not hit me. And so limited coverage, there's only collision coverage if someone else hits you, okay? So 3 different types, broad, regular, and limited in 3 different price points. Broad being the most expensive, followed by regular, and then limited. Those are your 3 options when purchasing collision coverage.